hosting a push contest, practicing their Tuba routine, playing Quidditch, hosting a bowling tournament, raising an infant pig, something called noisy spaghetti, spilling marbles across the floor, playing basketball, rehearsing with their Grindcore band, uncontrollably weeping, furiously collaging, Filibustering Congress, reenacting their favorite Hell in a Cell match. Your neighbors are crows, they are building nests. Having a raucous seance. Primal screen therapy.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video then. Take care. Bye.